this WhatsApp chat, you can see we have 0 messages. But once I'm just going to click just 2 buttons, you are going to see all the messages will be flooded on this WhatsApp chat one by one. And you're going to see one by one I've started receiving WhatsApp messages right over here. And do you think that someone is sitting at the back end and doing this manually? No. I have simply created an amazing automation to send bulk WhatsApp messages to all my customers from Google Sheets. And that's the reason I am receiving these messages. As you can see, the last detail I have in my spreadsheet was of Priya customer, and the last message is of also same. So why I've received all these messages in a single chat is because I use a single number only. But if you're using real customers and leads number, these messages will be sent towards them personally, and in a single click all the messages will be sent. This is the proof and the working of this automation, which we are going to learn in today's video. Hello all, welcome back to Pabbly. Let's see how we can send bulk WhatsApp messages from Google Sheets, and we are just going to finish off this video in very short time. I'm just going to let you know very quickly how you can do this, so please stick till the end. So to do this, you just have to open your workflow builder inside Pabbly Connect if you are an existing user like me. But if you are a new user, open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/connect in your browser and open the landing page of Pabbly Connect. In the top right corner, you're going to see the option of sign up for free. So click on the sign up for free. You can get a free trial of Pabbly Connect. You can send up to 100 of WhatsApp messages for free, and yes, this is true. Once you try Pabbly Connect and if you like it, you can move on further, purchase the subscription plan. And if you want to purchase the subscription plan, I have a special discount coupon code just for you, which is attached right over here, which can get you a very heavy discount on the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect. But first, try Pabbly Connect. If you find it helpful for you, then you can move on further and purchase the subscription plan. Okay, so now this is the workflow builder. How can you come here? You just have to log in inside Pabbly Connect and open your workflow builder. This is the most important window because we have trigger and action in this. I'll just let you know how trigger and actions work. For that, you have to click on this add trigger button. For the trigger application, choose it as Google Sheets. For the event, choose it as your updated spreadsheet row and click on this connect. Once you receive the webhook URL, just copy it and open your spreadsheet in which you have the details of your customers or leads. Go on this extensions, add-ons, and then towards this get add-ons. You have to search for an extension named Pabbly Connect Webhooks. So go in the search apps and search for Pabbly Connect Webhooks and make sure to install this extension right over here, which I have already installed. Once you install this extension, make sure to refresh your spreadsheet, otherwise you will not be able to view the option of this Pabbly Connect Webhooks in your extensions tab. Once you see this Pabbly Connect Webhooks option, go on this and then towards this initial setup. After you come on this initial setup, you just have to enter few details right over here like the webhook URL and the trigger column. So simply paste the webhook URL which you copied from the workflow and enter the trigger column. So as you can see, this is the webhook URL and this is the trigger column which I have entered. So you must be wondering, what is this trigger column? So the trigger column will be your funnel data column on which if the data is added, the whole of that row will be sent towards your webhook URL, which is towards your workflow. I've kept the trigger column as D because I want to send these 4 details towards my workflow. If you want to send 3 details, your trigger column will be C. If you want to send 5 details, it will be E, and so on, just according to your spreadsheet. Now just click on the submit button and it is going to say setup configured successfully. This means that we have created the connection between Google Sheets and Pabbly Connect, but it is still saying waiting for webhook response. So in order to capture this webhook response, just click on this send test and you're going to see we have received this response which says test data sent successfully. It has sent this first row towards our workflow. So let me just open my workflow and Pabbly is going to capture the response for the same, which is the proof of our successful connection. Now first we're just going to send an automated WhatsApp message to this user, then we're going to move on further and learn how to send in bulk. Okay, so what we're going to do is click on this add new action step, and in order to send automated WhatsApp messages, I'm going to use Pabbly Chat Flow. You can use any another platform too like AI Sensei, WhatsApp Cloud API, Wati, Pabbly supports all of them. You just have to search for the application like this right over here. So I'm just going to let you know that we're also offering a free trial of Pabbly Chat Flow, so you can also try Pabbly Chat Flow for free. For the event, select it as syntax message and click on this connect. Now if you've already created a connection, go on the select existing connection and then save. But if you haven't, follow me, click on add a new connection, and to get this API token, just go on this Pabbly Chat Flow account. It is going to take you to the accounts page of Pabbly first, so just log in right over here. If you want, you're going to get a free trial of Pabbly Chat Flow too, and you can send up to 100 of WhatsApp messages for free. As you can see, Pabbly Chat Flow right over here, so click on this access now. Once you try Pabbly Chat Flow and if you like it, you can move in further using this amazing using discount coupon code, you can purchase it and get a very heavy discount. Once you're over here, you have to make sure that you've added your WhatsApp number inside Pabbly chat flow like I have already added. If you haven't added, you're going to find the video directly on the dashboard. You can refer to this video and connect your WhatsApp number. After you connect this, from the left hand of the side, go on the settings and then towards this API and webhooks. You're going to find the API token, so just copy the API token and paste it right over here in your workflow. After you paste this, click on this save and your Pabbly chat flow will be connected with Pabbly Connect. I've already built this connection, so I'm just going to go on the select existing connection and then save. Now it is asking for the recipient WhatsApp mobile number, so I'm just going to enter the WhatsApp mobile number which I had in the spreadsheet. So over here is the thing, we don't have to enter this WhatsApp mobile number manually by tapping it like this, but instead we are going to map it. So you must be wondering what is mapping. So mapping is a method by Pabbly which means inserting the data from the previous step, and when we insert the data from the previous step, automatically our data becomes dynamic and changes with every new response received. That's the reason we map these details, because this is going to change with every new response received. Now for the WhatsApp message, I'm just going to simply copy the WhatsApp message from my previous step. You can send any WhatsApp message right over here according to your own choice. As you can see, let me just go back towards my workflow first, and over here in this workflow, I'm just going to copy the WhatsApp message. Okay, so this is my workflow and over here is my WhatsApp message, so I'm just going to copy right over here and paste it right over here in my workflow. After I just paste this WhatsApp message, what I'm just going to do is, in this WhatsApp message, I'm just going to first correct the formatting and then I'm just going to map the name of my customer, because I want to send personalized WhatsApp messages to each customer. That's the reason why I'm just going to map the name of the customer right over here in front of this hi. So I'm just going to put a slash, search for the name, map the first name, put a space, then put a slash, search for the last name, and then map the last name right over here. When I map both of these details, what I'm just going to do is, I'm just going to also do some formatting in this WhatsApp message. So if you want to bold some text, you can add stars in the starting and in the end of the text which you want to bold like this. After you complete your WhatsApp message, you're good to go. It is going to ask you for many other details. Just make sure to switch on this keys button and delete whatever is written right over here and click on the save and send test request button. And now I'm just going to click on the save and send test request button, but before, I'm just going to replace this dummy phone number with the original phone number so that I can show the message and the response received. If you have entered real details of your customers, indeed you don't have to do this. Just click on the save and send test request directly. I use test details, that's the reason I changed it. You're going to see the same message sent. Let me just open my WhatsApp and you're going to see we have received a new message right over here and it is saying hi test user, hope you're doing well. So all the messages are same, only the name of the customer is changing, right? Such a useful feature. Now we have learned how to send WhatsApp messages, but in order to send bulk WhatsApp messages, you have to open your spreadsheet, go on this extensions, go on this Pabbly Connect webhooks, and then click on this send all data. All of this data will be sent towards your workflow, and then automated WhatsApp messages, which is personalized WhatsApp messages, will be sent to all your customers and leads. Apart from that, if you want that whenever you add the new details and the WhatsApp message should be sent towards them too, then go on this extensions Pabbly Connect webhooks and make sure to switch on this button which is send on event. So like this, you have learned how to send WhatsApp messages from your Google Sheets. So go and try this today, because we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect. And while trying, if you have any doubts, the workflow URL is attached in the description box below, and you can also comment your doubts. We are going to help you out. See you in the next video with many more automation tips, everyone. Thank you for watching. So not only this, but you can connect many more applications using Pabbly Connect. So now if you have any doubts related to pricing, you can follow this link. If you have any doubts or queries related to sales, you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. Both this link and this email address is attached in the description box below. You can check it out. I suggest you connect and integrate your favorite applications today, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect.